In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Instagram profile not loading. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. By the end of this video, you'll know all the steps that you want to follow in order to fix this problem. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open to the Instagram and simply go ahead and tap on your profile. And if your profile won't load and shows an error or blank page, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the triple dot icon and tap on reload. If you don't find this option, you can simply go ahead and try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data and always ensure a stable internet connection. You can also try completely closing the Instagram application and reopening it, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, go to your App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using and simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the application. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go to Settings, App, Instagram, and Clear Cache. If none of it works, try restarting your phone or even uninstalling and reinstalling the application.